Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Katie and I love to make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today's video, I partner with Ruggable to give the guest room a refresh. Thanks to Ruggable for sponsoring today's video. So with this guest room, you guys know, if you've been following for a while, that I struggle and I have so many plans for this room. The first is that I want to create an accent wall back here behind the bed and also do something to this empty corner. So mine wanted like a mirror there, like a little console table, something there. But also, you guys know that I didn't want to spend a lot of money on this room because I had hopes that one day this room will become a nursery, but those hopes are gone now. I don't know. So I think it's time for me to go ahead and invest in this room. Just haven't found the right pieces, honestly, but I'm working on it. But I have to say, this new rug and this new bedding for the fall season just gave this room a whole new look. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. The first thing I did here was have Jonathan help me remove the old rug and kind of move things around because this room is very small and really tight when it comes to setting up a new rug. I use my vacuum and mopping at the same time, you know, the deal with this machine. So I had him hold the bed so I could get under there. I'm excited about this new rug. This one is called Nina and it's in the color black and ivory, the perfect pattern for this space. I was going for clean lines. So what we did, because we barely had space to set it up, we took it to the living room, we put the rug mat, and then we, assembled everything in the living room and we brought it upstairs. Then I started cleaning around the room, dusting and all that good stuff. I also wanted to change these curtains and I found these ones at Home Goods. They were like $39.99 or something like that, but I love the pattern you see with the ivory and the black in there. So those were perfect for the refresh here. So I'm just gonna switch those up. Guys should know by now that I am obsessed with Ruggables because these are machine washable, stain resistant, kids and pet friendly. Come on, you guys. Worth every penny. Look how beautiful this room looks just by adding this new rug. It's like incredible, the change. Love it. Don't forget to check the description box. Use my code KatieSantana10 to save 10% in any Ruggable of your choice. So for the bedding, I'm gonna miss some new pieces and some old pieces, like this new satin set. It's from Ross, that's new this year. And then I'm gonna miss it with last year velvet. I believe I used this last year for fall. So you know how it is, we just need to save and reuse and kind of restyle our home in order to get a fresh new look. But I am excited because you guys know that I love everything neutral, but I'm adding like a little pop of the color here. So I'm playing with the pillows to see how I wanna display them. And then I want to put the Euro shams in the back and the pillows in the front, just moving things around to make it look a little bit different. So these pillows here, they were supposed to come out from my pillow collection, but unfortunately that just didn't happen. And those are so pretty. You guys would have loved those. But one day, you guys, I'm still working on that.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride out the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Finish up the bedding, I'm gonna add these pumpkin pillows. This big one is from Aldi, and this little one here, it was from Ross. And the little one was $8.99. The big one was $14.99. done, we're gonna keep things simple. We're just gonna add a little eucalyptus flower arrangement that I got at also at Aldi and a little pumpkin I got at Home Goods, and just kept everything the same, the trays and everything in here, just minimalist decor, a little candle, you know the deal, just working with what we have. This is how the guest room looks now. It's ready for my guests that are coming this month from New York. I am excited to receive them in here. Talk about that rug made such a statement. Don't forget to check the description so you can shop my Ruggable links, and don't forget to use my code.
We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
That's it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of this little room refresh, and also let me know your ideas for this back wall here behind the bed and also this little corner right here. I will see you all on the next one. God bless.